Hi, Cambry.
Hi.
Hi, Austin.
Hi.
Hey, Ty.
Hi. Hello, 3 little pigs.
So this is after feeding time.
Biscuit. Me. Or are you? I think you're really not put it up to that page. Or Biscuit's the fat one.
And we added a couple of new babies to our farm. They're actually seniors, but they're sweethearts. And here's our cows, though. I'm going to go back to the sweethearts and the seniors, the horses, in a minute. And T-Bone's gotten so big. Sweet Baby Ray's still tiny, but he's eating and he's surviving. They're eating their grain real good. And we got them on buckets. Right now there's hay in it, but we got them on bottle buckets instead of having to do...
Bottles.
We took them off bottle a couple feedings ago. And battery's going dead. We might lose this.
Let's go move on to the horses.
To the horses? Okay. So these are our new babies, but they're our seniors. Want to introduce them?
This is Captain. And this is Susanny. Susanny. Which Captain loves me? Captain does love everyone. Hi, Captain.
Oh, it's windy again.
Don't stick 'em, huh? Hey, baby.
Yeah, we're going to let them out in a little bit to go graze up front while we water the back, the orchard and everything. We're going to turn all the irrigation. We got trees we're losing. We got to cut out some trees and lots of work to do. Another working weekend. Oh, but tonight's the rabbit show.
Yep.
Cambry's going to help set up the rabbit show.
Yep, and then I get to go to fair. And then I get to go to Silverwood. Hey, whoa. Whoa. What's that table? Whoa. See, I know you want out. I want out. I want to introduce myself by getting really close up to the camera. Want to come in and get a close look? Captain. You're able to come in and get a close look at Captain.
It's okay, honey.
Okay.
Thank you.
Go to the camera. Come on, go to the camera, Captain. Come on, let's go to the camera. Come on. Captain wants you to show him the camera. Hi, I'm close up. Sure, Captain. I don't know.
He's close. It's really close on here.
Blue. Whoa. Good boy. Whoa. Okay, you want to get close up to the camera. Okay. Stop.
We gotta clean her pen and stuff. Lots of work. Today she gets to go out and graze on some fresh grass. Every day we let him out to do that. Till we get their pasture set up, and then we're gonna have them fenced. But she stays out without. We let her out without gates and everything, and she just stays for us.
Whoa. Hey Mom, can I go get the halter?
Hi, Susie. Hmm?
I want to see.
You want to see what?
Oh, that's cool. It's close up.
Mm-hmm. Pretty close up.
This is my best buddy.
Cambry wanted to see the viewer, so I had to hold it down for Austin. Oops, sorry. Kind of bumpy. All right, guys. Oh, there's Ty. And the pretty girl. How'd he get up there?
Uses her neck when she goes down to eat.
Pretty girl. What a pretty girl. Hello, pretty girl.
Austin can get on them. Captain easy.
Yeah, like this. Pretty easy, eh? I can fall asleep to this. You like the camera. Oh, come on, don't be like this with me. Good boy. Hey, Pony.